Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to catch a fly. Why would I want to catch a fly, you might ask? Well, let me answer your question with a question of my own. Why would you not want to build up the skills section of your resume by learning a helpful, impressive skill like this? And what else have you got going on? It's not like you've got stuff to do. You're just sitting at home watching Naked and Afraid all day. Why not learn something useful? Did you see what I just did? I scooped that little bug right off the face of the earth, and now it lives in my sweaty fist. This is the best part about catching a fly, the fun tickling sensation that comes with it scampering and buzzing around in your hand. What a treat! Now I'll show you how to do it again, a little slower for all the grandmas and grandpas in the house. Just cup your hand, creep up slow, and spank the fly into submission in one quick, smooth movement. Smoothness is key in fly catching. That's why I lotion up extensively before attempting to catch flies, or any bugs for that matter. And don't just lotion your hands, do everything. Head to toe smoothness and hydration is very important.